All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you can't hear my washer and dryer. It's going right now on the other side of the wall. But anyways, I figured out how much money I made for 2020 today. Right now, I just opened some mail, my tax statement for the year. I guess I wasn't paying too much attention to the last check pay stub from the last week of 2020, so I guess I could have just looked at that, but got my tax statement. It's about $300 difference. My work check says I made like $300 more. My tax statement says I made $300 less, which is fine with me. But anyways, I'm going to go over the numbers today, throw those up on the screen if I can cut this video, cut my face out and put some pictures in right now. I'll go ahead and show you that. So going over the numbers, I just worked at one company last year, all year, and the money I made for the year was $67,735.37. And then the last part is the 1 month of COVID unemployment from the state, which was $5,560, which brings a grand total of $73,000 or $73,295.37, which is a little bit less than last year, just because I worked so much overtime last year, and I don't really think I worked that much overtime at all this year. It says 15 hours on my check, so I worked 15 hours overtime this whole year, or 2020. So that's pretty good for working 15 hours overtime. And last year, I don't remember how much overtime I worked, but it was quite a bit. But if you compare these numbers, $73,000 to 2018, where I made just under 70,000. I'm pretty happy with that. So anyways, that's my 2020 money that I made. If you guys were interested in how much an electrician makes, I was gonna give you a forewarning to everyone who's gonna hate on this video and say, oh, I'm bragging about how much money I make. That's not the point of this video, just to show you guys how much money an electrician can make, and give you guys some information about this. This was non-union. I just switched to the union, so these numbers should go up by like $30,000 if I stay full-time this year. So we'll see how that works. But anyways, I was going to give you guys the forewarning, but I forgot to put that at the beginning of the video, so I'm assuming I'll be getting some dislikes. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That will just end the video nice and short. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It helps the channel out. I'd love to see it grow over this next year. Hoping to hit 15 to 20,000 subscribers. But anyways, that'll do it. Check the description for anything else if you're looking for any electrical playlist or anything like that. I have all my playlists, links, and information down below, as well as social media. Check out my Instagram at Daily Electrician YT, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.